Welcome to the in front of me ALCATEL 1 2022, and I'll show you how to enable or disable silent mode on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that tap on the sounds and vibration. Then you'll see here the silent mode switcher, and now just to activate silent mode you should click here once, to turn it off click here once again. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just open notification panel. Here you'll see the sound icon. Just click here twice and you will activate the mute mode. This is the same silent mode. To turn off the silent mode, just click here once again on this mute icon and you will see here the sound. Then the third way how you can do that, just first up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and after that you'll see here the bell icon. Just click here twice. Now we'll see the message. We can see the message that our calls and notifications, they will be muted. And after that, if you wanna just turn it off, you should click once again on this bell icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.